Week after dozens of tornadoes rolled through the middle of the country. Another round of severe weather is expected today, and this comes after severe weather unfolded on Tuesday as well, with 10 reports of tornadoes. In Iowa, this tornado was captured on video by a local resident late on Tuesday. You can see that funnel cloud in the middle of your screen, and it almost looks like two of them coming together. Today, this system is going to move east. It's going to give Indiana and Michigan the greatest risk for tornadoes. So if you're living in those states, look out. And with more on that, meteorologist Gerard Bailey can explain a little bit more and a lot more than I can. Gerard?
Good morning, Mitch. So the tornado threat is just one piece of it. We're going to be seeing more threats than just that. We'll have to pay close attention. Look what happened yesterday, okay? We had 15 tornado reports. Look at the number of hail reports, 348, and some of them were larger than softballs at times. It was huge at some points. So what we're talking about here is another threat for more large hail, and it could be a problem in some of these zones. It was a big problem yesterday. I can attest to that myself. But as we're looking into later on this afternoon, we will see that threat continue to shift a little bit further east. This morning, it's going to continue through parts of the Midwest, including here in Chicago. We've seen that threat. But here it is, all the way down south through Memphis. We'll see that risk for all of these hazards here. We're talking about the tornado is still possible, but wind gusts over 60 miles per hour can certainly lead to a bad day in a lot of places. Large hail up to golf balls. Not the kind of thing you want to be caught out in. Pay close attention. Those warnings, try to make sure you are not in a place where you could get caught by something like that later on today. It's a level 3 out of 4 threat overall, but it's a 3 out of 4 threat for the tornado risk. The biggest zone is going to be including Indianapolis up to Detroit later on today. I don't think the threat is going to be extremely high, but something you still got to pay attention to. Overall, countrywide, though, at least the backside of the system, it is much, much quieter. We don't see any major threats coming after this point. That's the good news, but we still have to deal with heavy rain and thunderstorms from Nashville, Cleveland. Chicago is going to get it here in at least the next few hours, but it could reach all the way down to the Gulf Coast, Mitch. It's still a very busy time. We're talking only 3 to 4 days from the last event that we had just late last week that was so active and deadly across the South.
Well, Gerard, we're right here in Chicago, and you can hear it in our studios. There is the pitter-patter of really heavy rain going on.
At least
right
it's not the sound of baseballs raining down on our heads. That's the good news.
Yeah, and our trucks and cars and all kinds of things. Thank goodness. Thank you, Gerard. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation in your cable lineup. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-based, unbiased coverage.